Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a very simple scalping technique that works every time. Alright guys, so I'm using Tradelocker. You have to do this strategy to look for an entry in 1 minute or 5 or could be 15 as well. But if you are using 1 minute, you will be more accurate. And when you're doubting if the trend is going to desired direction, then you can check it on the 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go. So basically what you will be doing is, first of all, go to 5 minutes. Okay, and turn on an indicator that's called VWAP session. That's moving average. Okay, so now you see it is under the line, which means it is downtrending. We're not gonna take any trades over here yet because it's way too close to the line, but what you can do is actually wait for a second lower low. So when that is formed, then we can look for entries. Right now, for example, you could place an alarm over here, yeah, because once it crosses this area, most likely the price will drop, like right now. So okay, let's go to 1 minute. You could use this strategy even in 15 seconds and futures, but of course the risk is quite higher. So what you're gonna do is take a horizontal line, and because we're in a downtrend, we're gonna place it over here. Why did I do this? So because the price hit this area multiple times, right? As you see here, 1, 2, I mean over here, 2 and 3. So basically after the third time the price hits it, most likely the fourth or the third time, it's gonna break down like this. It's gonna go down. Okay, so that's it. No secret formula. If it would be uptrending, for example, imagine it is uptrending. So imagine if it was uptrend, we would bring the line over here, wait till it breaks a third time. Just don't rush through the process because I have to tell you something very important. So imagine it goes like this, maybe bounces off one more time, could be a false breakout. Listen closely because this is important. Possibly, and then bounce back again and then breakthrough. When do we actually enter? When we see a full candle. So you got to change your patterns into the candles into Heiken Nashi candles. You can see very well when the candles are closing or opening. Since we are waiting at the moment for a downtrend, we would be going in, for example, over here. Look, it bounced off. We would go here in because here you have 0.1, 0.2, right here 0.2, right, and 0.3. It broke through. Now look at this fat candle going down, and the next one. You see, this is an indication we go in. Well, this second candle is a perfect indication. Why? So if there is a little wick or something, if the candle isn't closed, as the price isn't closed completely, or a doji candle, you do not go in. Okay, So you would be going in right here on the second one. Okay. Putting stop loss right under the previous candle. Just two few pips above to be safe. And we can go into this one 1 to 2. Sometimes even 1 to 6, depends on the trade. Risk management is always required and it is your choice. But you see obviously that this was a good trade. Good luck. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely apply this when you feel like you want to take a trade, but you have to wait way too long for an entry. So this can be found in any pair, but best to use it on the high volume pairs as gold and Nasdaq. Enjoy, have fun with trading, and see you in the next video. Love you.